The personal-sized Presto PopLite My Munch hot air popper is great for snacking and portion control. It pops with hot air, not oil, for a low-fat treat. Pour a quarter cup of regular or gourmet popcorn into the popping chamber. Place the cover on the popper base and remove the serving bowl lid to allow steam to vent during popping. Plug in the My Munch and watch it pop up to 8 cups in just 2 minutes, leaving virtually no unpopped kernels. Hot air popcorn is all natural, no artificial flavors or added salt, 0 grams of saturated fat per serving, and is more economical than most microwave popcorn bags. When popping is done, unplug and snap the serving bowl lid in place. Grasp both the cover and base handles and flip the unit so the dual-purpose cover and serving bowl catch the pop kernels. And enjoy! Because the My Munch doesn't use oil, the base and cover quickly wipe clean for easy cleanup. The built-in cord wrap hides the cord, and the popper base nests in the cover for neat and easy storage.